What is the secret to getting tons of matches on dating apps like Tinder, Bumble, and Hinge? Does it all come down to looks, or does presentation matter? In this video, we're gonna find out. I'm gonna test my good photos and see what happens when I swap them out for bad photos on these apps. I recently put out a video exposing the worst dating photographer in America, the Match Artist. They've taken photos of guys in dinosaur costumes, creepy serial killer headshots, and my personal favorite, a photo of a guy reading a book barefoot in his mom's basement with a bunch of garbage in the background. So I'm gonna recreate these bad photos and see how many matches I can pull. First up is the signature action shot. Now, at the Match Artist, it's all in the details, right? So you gotta throw on your best Yoshi costume, get a playing card game, and aggressively slam cards into the table to assert your dominance and show women that you're not a nice guy. You're not to be trifled with. Also need the glasses on, all in the details. Girls are not gonna be able to resist this photo. The Match Artist loves to take photos of guys jumping in the pool. One of the funniest photos they've taken is a photo of a guy jumping into a pool fully clothed. I don't know why they think women would be attracted to a photo like this, but we're gonna put it to the test today. I'm gonna sacrifice my fanciest outfit here, jump into the pool fully clothed, and we're gonna see if I could pull some matches with this pic. Do I really have to jump in the pool fully clothed, bro?
Yeah, man, do it for the video.
Guys, the sacrifices I make, pound that like button, hit subscribe. Let's get wet.
Oh, fuck, my balls.
How's it look, Chatty?
Looks good.
Looks real good. I just obliterated my balls. Like belly flopped right on my nuts. That was unnecessary. This is what the Match Artist is putting people through, bro. This is humiliating. But who knows, maybe I'll get more matches. One thing the Match Artist does a lot is they take these photos of the back of the guy's head. The classic walking down the street with a backpack, no face, no case, depressed, looking at the lake, back of the headshot, and my personal favorite, the sitting at the desk in the corner like you're being punished, back of the headshot. The first thing women want to know on a dating app is literally what you look like. So the fact that the Match Artist is taking so many photos of the back of every client's head is kind of weird, but we're gonna experiment with it. We're gonna recreate this photo and see if it gets us any matches.
All right. Do I look dateable, chat?
Oh, yeah. I mean, I think that's the one.
Oh my god, bro, it's perfect. Let's go! You're gonna get so many matches. Let's go, man. Dude, the back of my head looks so attractive. Women are gonna have to swipe right. So bad. Dude, imagine you're a client at a photo shoot and the photographer's like, bro, your face is just way too ugly. We just gotta take a photo of the back of your head. Like, it's the only hope you have. Well, dude, the next photo is even cringier. The barefoot sitting on the couch photo.
Oh, yeah.
I wish we could say we were making this stuff up, but every photo we're recreating is literally on the Match Artist's public website. One of my favorite photos that they've taken is this photo of a guy barefoot on a couch in his mom's basement reading a book with a bunch of garbage in the background. I do not know what the thought process was in this photo, but the Match Artist says that they're experts. So let's fill the couch with laundry, garbage. Gotta make sure the sock is exposed just so girls know that I do own socks, even though I'm gonna be barefoot in this photo, because it's like a really good indicator of value and status to them. Maybe a banana would look good, eh? That's beautiful. Dude, I'm gonna get so many bitches. My foot looked dirty enough?
So gross.
I did notice that he had a little bit of dirt on his foot, so I scuffed it up a little bit just to get the essence of the photo. Oh, he also had his sleeves like all the way up to his fingertips like Ariana Grande. So we're gonna recreate that too. Yeah, make sure you get that garbage in the back.
That's key.
Oh, dude, that's the photo. Oh my, dude, the way my foot is perfectly accentuated with the garbage in the back. It's a work of art. Can I wash my foot now?
Yeah.
Thank you. If you are looking to take better photos for your dating apps, I just created the ultimate photo shoot prep guide. In this guide, I'm gonna show you exactly how to find a good photographer, good locations, and set up your photo shoots so you can get as many matches as possible. And this guide is absolutely free. You can access this guide just by going down to the description of this video and clicking the link that I put down there. One of the most classic Match Artist photo shoots is their portrait headshots. They believe that every man needs a photo of just his head insanely zoomed in so women know exactly what he looks like. One of my favorite headshots they've taken is this one. This photo kind of looks like the guy's auditioning for a role as the next Joker.
Come here, I'm gonna show you something. You know I got these scars? I did a shoot the match artist.
So why not recreate this photo and see if it works for me?
We need to recreate the creepiness of this photo, so lighting is key. And to get into character. Breathing? It's so hard to hold that pose. It's so bad.
Now, before we test out these match artist style photos, I want to create a good baseline so we can understand how many matches I would normally get with my WingMan Plus certified photos. At WingMan Plus, we do photo shoots as well, but we have a different approach from the match artist. We found that there's 6 specific photos that women are insanely attracted to, and we take these photos for each and every one of our photo shoot clients. So the first WingMan Plus certified photo that I have on my profile is my date POV photo. We find that girls like guys who have dated girls in the past. So if you put a date POV photo on your profile, it shows women that girls have taken photos of you before, put it up on their Instagram story, and now you're using those photos in your dating profile. So they're really, really powerful. The next photo I put on my profile is a classic dog photo. We found that women are 30% more likely to swipe on your profile if you put a dog photo in your profile. So that's something we make sure to include in every one of our photo shoots at WingMan Plus. Next up, we got the social proof dinner photo. Women want to see that you have friends and you have a bit of a social life, but rather than putting a photo with your arms around like 1,000 friends, we found that having a cool social proof dinner photo is really, really impactful and gets great results. After that, I threw up an adventure photo, which is basically a more zoomed out full body shot, but shows you in an interesting location. Obviously, we don't take all of our clients to Machu Picchu, but no matter where we're shooting, we find a cool place with a really interesting background to create a cool adventure photo for our clients. All right, second last, we've got a classic cigar photo. Now, I used to think women hate photos of guys smoking and they find it gross, until I put up a cigar photo on my profile and it became my most liked photo on Hinge. And it's something our clients love to do because it's nice to just have a cigar in the middle of your photo shoot, and it takes away a lot of the nice guy vibes on your profile. Gives a little bit of that bad boy energy that women love. Last up, I used an activity photo. So this is something to show your more athletic side or one of your hobbies. For me, I like training Muay Thai. So just put a cool photo of me taking off my boxing gloves. And this photo is really impactful because I'm not like throwing a punch, like straining my face. Still shows me at my best, but shows that I have cool hobbies, I live an active lifestyle, all that fun stuff. So we're gonna throw this profile up on Hinge for a couple days in New York City and just see how many likes, how many matches roll in over the next couple of days. And then we're gonna compare that to how the match artist photos perform with the exact same prompts, same profile settings, same location. So make sure you stick around at the end of the video to see the results of that photo shoot. All right, so it's been about 4 days since I uploaded my WingMan Plus certified photos on Hinge. So let's take a look at my Hinge and see how many likes came in. Now, in the past 4 days, I didn't really do a lot of swiping. I just kind of swiped here and there at my convenience. I got 6 matches that came in, and we've got 26 likes on Hinge, which is pretty good. So 26 girls liked my profile. I even got a rose from this girl. What did she say? Asked me a thought-provoking question about one of my prompts. Not exactly my type, so we're gonna swipe left on that one. Now we've got this girl. Okay, Turkish girl. Yeah, she's pretty hot, actually. Damn. Yeah, I would not be mad about ripping a date with her. She liked my boxing photo. We'll send her a match. Next up, we got this girl. An absolute New York corporate baddie. Yep, she would get it. We'll give her a right swipe as well. A lot of girls are liking my boxing photo. Now this girl liked my adventure photo. Kind of mid, we're gonna give her a left swipe on this one. This girl liked one of my prompts. Yeah, she's pretty cute. Nice dog too. Too many people are waiting for your reply. 8 or more people waiting on your response. Okay, so I actually have to message some of my matches before I can like the rest of them. So I'm just gonna blast out a classic pickup line on these girls. I can't tell if you're innocent or an absolute baddie. And we're just gonna copy and paste that to every single girl just to clear up the matches here. So as you can see, I'm actually getting so many matches on Hinge right now that I have to blast through some messages so I can get more matches. So really good problem to have. Blasted a few messages. Let's go back into the likes and get a few more matches here. Okay, this girl's got a boy's name, Ryan. Kind of weird, but ooh, I like the cowboy hat. Kind of reminds me of the Hawk Tua girl. Next up, we got Carly, hot blonde, got an absolute badonkadonk on her. She's gonna get a right swipe. I feel like Oprah, just giving everyone a right swipe right now. You get a right swipe, and you get a right swipe. Oh, Nicole, okay. Damn, Nicole is an absolute baddie, bro. Definitely my type. We're gonna give her a match. Next up, we got Logan. Yeah, she's pretty cute. Nice eyebrows on her. Give her a right swipe. Let's see, Morgan. Ooh, okay, we're not gonna go for that one. Okay, we got Sandra. Yeah, you know what? She's pretty cute. Oh, is she a model? That's pretty cool. Okay, we'll give her a right swipe here. Next up, we got Danny with a cute dog pic. Oh my God, bro. The devil photo makes me think she's an absolute baddie, but we'll find out. Okay, left swipe on that one. Wow, this girl leaves me a huge thought-provoking message on one of my prompts, and she's super, super cute. Definitely my type. Oh my God, we gotta cut down on the matches again. We gotta blast out some messages. It's actually overwhelming how many matches I'm getting with these Wingman Plus photos. Boom. All right, message is sent. Let's go back. We got 12 more likes to go through. Obviously, she's gonna get a match. She's gonna get a match for sure. Oh, Camila. Got a little Latina action here. Give her a right swipe. She liked my boxing pic. A lot of girls liking my date POV photo as well. Nice husky. Oh, Allison. Okay. Yeah, she's super cute. She's getting a match for sure. Next up, we got Michaela. Okay, whatever. Natalie. Damn, love her hair. All right, Natalie, you are getting a right swipe. All right, what do we got? Cindy here. Oh, okay, last photo kind of saved her. I was gonna swipe left, but I really like the bikini pic there. This girl liked my dog photo. Looks like she hits the gym. She's gonna get a left swipe though. Oh, Janet. Okay, Janet is 100% my type. She's a horse girl too. Let's go. Cute dog photo. Boom. This girl likes my adventure photo. Kind of mid. Let's see. And then Erica, not a huge fan. All right, there you go. All in all, 24 matches of quality women that I would actually want to go on a date with. That's like 6 high quality matches per day with the Wingman Plus photos. The Wingman Plus results are pretty good, but let's try the match artist photos and see how those work out. I kept my profile exactly the same. Same city, same prompt, same profile. I literally just changed my Wingman Plus photos into the bad match artist photos. And I really wanted to give these photos the benefit of the doubt, so I left my Hinge up and running with these photos for 2 weeks. So after 14 days, let's see the results on Hinge. And I ripped a couple of swipes per day. Unfortunately, none of my swipes ended up turning into matches. All of the matches in my queue here are back from when I had my Wingman Plus photos up. But let's take a look at the likes. So in 14 days with the match artist photos, I pulled in just 7 likes. So that's about 1 like every other day. So right off the bat, a dramatic drop off in the amount of likes coming in. But let's take a look at the quality of the likes and see if I can actually match a girl that I want to go out with. So first up, we got this girl. She liked my Yoshi costume pic, which is kind of weird. Honestly, not really my type. So I'm gonna give her a left swipe. Next up, another like on the Yoshi photo, which is kind of interesting. Not exactly my type again, so we'll give her a left swipe. All right, give me something good here. A 3rd like on the Yoshi photo. Looks to be pretty popular, but unfortunately not with the types of women that I usually go for. So we're gonna rip another left swipe here. Okay, this girl liked one of my prompts. She's 6'1", so honestly a little bit taller than me. Not really too excited about this one. I'm gonna give it a left swipe. This girl liked one of my prompts here. Yeah, you know what? She is decent enough. Like, we'll give her a right swipe. We'll give her a match. And this girl liked my Yoshi photo as well. Not super attracted, so I'm gonna give her a left. And last up, this girl liked my prompt. Oh, she's from Germany. That's cool. Kind of hard to tell what she looks like. A lot of her pics are like super zoomed out. Doesn't really show her face. This is typically like a catfish scenario, so I'm gonna give her a left swipe. So In 14 days with the match artist photos, I was only able to get 7 likes on Hinge and just 1 match with a girl that I would actually go out with. When you compare this to the WingMan Plus photos, in just 4 days, I had 24 matches with women that I was actually interested in. Pretty insane drop off in both the quality and quantity with these match artist photos. So if you are looking to level up your online dating game, get tons of matches, tons of dates in 2025, a professional photo shoot is definitely gonna help you out. But don't just hire any photographer who says they're a dating app photographer, because most of them have absolutely no idea what they're actually doing and are gonna take photos of you like this. Now, WingMan Plus has dating photographers in every city in the world. Or you also have the option of working with me one-on-one in person in Las Vegas. So if you're ready to level up your profile, start matching way more baddies on these apps, click the link down in the description of this video, fill out the quick form just to see if you're a good fit to work with us, and I can't wait to talk to you soon, bro.